Super, this is how my maiden flight started, by kissing the tree gently and cratering into the ground. And then the sky played the cloud game and it started to rain. Not the greatest day for a maiden flight, but well, I did it anyways. Welcome back to the channel, it's Matt and today we are flying the AOS 5.5. Flight controller by JB, the frame designed by Chris Rosser and the motors by KababFPV FPV CYCLES. Let's see how it flies right after the intro. Let's get it up in the air and see how it flies. A few quick comments at the beginning of this flight. I'm using the JBF7 flight controller and Joshua has a programming shared in Betaflight for this flight controller and put his own rates in. I thought it's a great chance to try them out, but as it turns out, they're not really great for me. My rates are way slower than that. I'm using still the Mr. Steel rates, what he's recommending for new pilots to train from the simulators in his series How to Train Pilots. And they're too different from Joshua's rates, so I'm all over the place here. Here I'm punching in, and that's the other problem. The camera plates on the right and left are in frame, because the camera cable is simply too short. So I will fix that also right after this flight. I'm desperately trying still to get used to JB's rates, but I kind of can't. They're just too different from what I'm usually flying. That look back actually wasn't that bad, but it was more luck rather than actually skill. So I really have to revert back to my rates I'm usually flying and take smaller steps to get to faster rates. The AOS actually flies great. I just wish I could change the rates to mine so that I can try them out right now. But I will have to do that in the next flight, after I do all the adjustments from what I learned today.
With you the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be close to you. There's nothing else I wanna do. Ooh, and from the fields of flowers you chose to pick me. You're spreading sugar on my misery. And I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. And I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good.
I actually really like how the AOS flies. The hang time is great because of the weight, but the engines and the propellers produce so much thrust that it doesn't feel heavy. And that is really kind of like an unexpected feeling to me. I really don't want to sound ridiculous, but it feels like a big 250. The power to weight ratio is excellent and the disc load is very low, same as from the 250. So in that regard, there are some similarities. When I'm comparing it to the Diaton Roma F5, which I was flying up until recently, it feels also a way lighter, and the F5 is not a heavy quad and it flies great. I like the Roma F5. But comparing it to the AOS 5.5, it is a completely different story to me. The flight is over and it's still alive. Great. Now I can get to the last adjustments. I will make a video about that from what I learned today, and then we will have another flight. Let's see how the next flight then compares to the maiden flight with all the adjustments we are doing between now and then. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, that would be really appreciated and helps me out a lot. And as always guys, thanks for watching, have a great rest of the day, stay safe and see you the next one.